Welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to create a VM in command line. Previous video we have seen in GUI based. Now in command line, how we can create. Go here. We don't know. We are beginners, right? We are beginners. Create instance. Instance name. I told whatever you want to give. EMEA. Okay. Database. Even though databases they'll be segregating. Suppose my SQL 001. Suppose Postgres. Some POS like that, some Oracle, or like that, they'll be considering like this. Okay, fine, let it be. We'll choose wherever you want. Go here. Okay, just don't go with E2 series. Select N1. Some more, very minimal. Even though it's not required, you can choose 600 MB. This is enough for practicing. Okay, change whatever you want. The disk. Okay, let it be Debian, or you want to change Ubuntu or whatever you want to go with that. Select this one only, no issues. Firewall and all those things later I will tell you. See, create means it will create equivalent code. You will get the code. See here, the copy code. We have a cloud shell. Cloud shell. How you will get the cloud shell? Click on this one. Okay, it will open. See here, open like this. I already opened here. Okay, let it close it. Close this one. It is, see, it is open. Now in this directly the copy code. See, just I copied all those things. You can customize this one also. I'll show you the customization in coming just 2 minutes after this one. Just give enter. What is this? What are the things are they all what we selected? All those things it comes like this. See, it is created. See, micro instance, very small instance is created. You want to confirmation, right? You need to get some confirmation with using cloud instance commands. You can go with that, or you can see here also. This one, close it, go back. See here, it is running. You want to go log in and verify. It will take some time. First time, right? You may get some doubt in real time how we can connect. We have some tools also. I'll show you later classes. See, host name. Okay, cat etc. See here, Debian operating system. Fine, close this one. Now with the same script, we copied the script, right? Somewhere else we copied in the shell, right? Same script, copy this one. I want to create one more same with a different mission name. Okay, in this case, give edit Oracle, right? Just script name Oracle VM dot sh shell script, right? Not required anything, just copy that. How you can customize, how you, very big line, very difficult, right? Customize like this, hyphen, give enter like this. All default network it is coming. I'll show you later how we can create normal networks also. Okay, this is the APIs. to authenticate the internal authentications, okay, monitoring everything. You can remove that also. It will create by default. Let it be. See which image you are using on which project. Like this, you can segregate. These are all not required. You can delete it also. Okay, you want to delete it, you can delete it. Automatically, it will take it. Okay, by default. See now, deleted. But instance already we have change with two mission number two. Okay, let it close. Not required to save anything. Just close here. Close here. Automatically, see, you got that. What is this? This one, right? We need to make it executable. Ch. Okay, done. Now you see execute now. Clearing the screen. Dot slash mission name. Not this one, right? What is the file name? Yeah. Dot. It will create. Which zone you want to confirmation. By default zone it is going. You want to change the zone because you need to mention the zone also in that script. It's not required. Just give yes. But in real time, zone is very important. Which region you are creating? This is creating in south region. Okay, because I'm working in south region things. That is the thing. It is created all those things. Okay, no such file in the north zone. This some file is not there. That is the reason. But it will create the mission. You have to maintain these things because very it will create the mission. This C command is not in some region is not there. Okay, no issues. But it will create. But you have to avoid the that region related things. See, it is created in south region. But in the script, what we did the mistake. What is it? What is that? You have to identify that. See here, I given some what is the region. Okay, in that region there is a problem because allocation it won't some cases the missions in the data center allocation it won't happen. Why? Because of multiple projects are going right. They can't allocate for your free account. In that cases also it will happens like that. By default it is created in this Asia, and here it is some space is there. Just log in into this machine and verify. For this, you want to allocate means there is some more option we have that later we can go with that. Fine. See here, Ora to cat host name. Sorry, mm, host name. Then okay, DBN or something like that. I want to see in cloud how in cloud itself you can close this one. You can clear this. Okay, I want to see how many instances are there. You can see here all those things. So some missions are there. With using gcloud commands, you can able to identify how you can see that. We need to know gcloud compute compute. Suppose if you don't know, suppose if you don't know something, just give enter. See, it is giving what you want. Okay, in that search you can find out a list. See what are the missions you have. See what are the all terminated means it is two missions are running, remaining three missions are terminated means it is not running. Okay, some commands, search in Google, you can find out. See, CLI documentation, whatever you want you can do that. Copy. Yeah, see list, yeah, this one I want to copy, this one copy. See, different what is the where it is created in the C here, what are the list with Jones with the help of APS. See, in this project Jones south two missions, one is north, first it is allocated but there is no some allocation happened, it is created in South Asia, something like that. Okay, some more I want to customize with the Terraform, you can use this one. Copy this. You want to pull completely some details. Okay, in coming video I'll show you we are created, we are created what is the we are creating instance, we know that. Okay, this one, what is this custom image, in coming video I'll show you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you. Okay, fine. Don't keep it like this, we have to delete it, right? This one, go back. See, it is running. Select these two machines at a time and you can delete like this. Okay, but we don't want to go with this, I'll show you in command line how to delete. We don't know, right? We are beginners, right? See here. Okay, CLI documentation, I will update this in description, this link. Go here, delete. We don't know, just we are beginners, how to work out. See this one. Okay, first one, what a lot of things are there. See how to set, later I will tell you. I want to delete it. Copy this, copy this. See, this is the command, right? This one is just for your confirmation, just I am copying this command. We need to delete the instance, right? Exactly. Make sure you can copy this, you want to delete it. Okay, copy this, customize your script easily. Hmm? See which zone you are into, that here zone. I don't want this mission, right? Copy this, put it here. Which instance name? Okay, this one. gcloud instances, delete your mission name and your zone name, that's it. Copy another mission, right? I don't want this one also. Zone, right? Zone hyphen, this is the syntax. Fine, one by one you can delete. Go to the shell. See, yes, it is asking confirmation. I want to delete it. Yes, yes, deleted. Now I want to, here it is asking for confirmation. Now I'll show you, without confirmation you can delete it. Okay, small change in the command, some small adding in the command. Okay, hyphen quite. Okay, um sorry, spelling wrong. Without confirmation, yes or no, it is deleting. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You will get some more updates. Go through the videos. Coming video, I'll show you how to custom images, how to build a VM with a custom images. Okay, let it run. Done, right? Now verify here. You want to verify, you can use list. Okay, list, you can use this one. List, only 3 VMs are there. One more confirmation, go here or refresh. Okay, thank you.
Subscribe to my daddy's channel for regular updates. Click on bell icon.